Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Crafting. Now, I'm going to have another go at some abstract art, but this time I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to add tape to the canvas once I've done a background and try and do some shapes. I'm also going to use this acrylics medium, which is a pouring medium, which hopefully will make it flow a little better. Well, so far, I'm really pleased with that. I think that's one of the best ones I've made so far, and actually, it was one of the easiest ones. I'm going to varnish it with a semi-gloss varnish once it's completely dry, because I always think that that gives it a little bit more oomph. Well, that's all finished now. I'm really pleased with it. I think it's one of my favourite abstract pictures I've done. I particularly like these areas where I sponged it as well. This is a method I really enjoyed, and I'm going to play around with this method using tape to block bits off and have a background a little bit more, and see if I can get it looking a little bit more three-dimensional and bits crossing into each other. So watch out for those videos. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think this is better than my other ones, or do you think I'm getting better? Do you like this? Or if you've got any advice for me to improve on my abstract work, please leave that in the comments. I would be so grateful. Check out my other abstract work. You'll see the journey that I've been on. I'll link those videos at the end of this one. I really look forward to seeing you then. Please comment on those as well. It really does help. Boop that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.